Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Kajabi for online course income, full guide step by step clearly. Start by accessing the Kajabi website. Log into your Kajabi account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the Products tab from the main menu. Click on the New Product button to create a new online course. Choose the course format that best suits your content, such as a course, coaching program, or membership site. Fill in the required details for your course, including the title and description. Customize your course settings. Now, add your course content by selecting the Curriculum section. Upload video lessons, quizzes, and assignments as needed. Next, set up your pricing options by clicking on the Pricing tab. Choose between one-time payments, payment plans, or subscriptions. Enter the price you want to charge for your course. To sell subscriptions, select the subscription option and define the billing cycle. Once you have set your pricing, click on the Save button. Integrate your payment gateway by going to the Settings tab. Follow the prompts to connect your Stripe or PayPal account. After integrating your payment gateway, return to your course settings. Set up your email sequences under the Marketing tab if you want to create automated messages. Finally, publish your course by clicking the Launch button. Keep track of your course performance through the Analytics section of Kajabi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.